In this problem, a equals 3, b equals negative 12, and c equals 5. So when I go to plug in, I'm first looking for the opposite of b. In this case, since b is negative, the opposite of b is positive, plus or minus the square root, b squared minus 4ac. So that's b squared, this is negative 12, squared minus 4 times a times c. And that's all over 2a. I'm going to take this over here to simplify. Negative 12 squared is negative 12 times negative 12, which is 144. Minus 4 times 3, so this is negative 4 times 3, that's negative 12, times 5 is negative 60. Okay, here it was negative times positive, which is negative, times positive, which is negative. And then I do the subtraction and I get 84. Okay, this is what's going to go in your blank, b squared minus 4ac. Now if I take the square root of 84, notice what I get. I get like this big, long decimal, and it continues on forever and ever, and it doesn't repeat. I don't use decimals like that. They're called irrational numbers, and I don't like to use them. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep this root 84. So I'm going to bring down 12, plus or minus the square root of 84, and notice the square root sign is still there. Why wasn't the square root sign still here? Because I took the square root. Right? I actually did that math. That square root sign tells me to do something and I did it. Whereas here, that square root sign told me to do something and I was like, I'm not going to do that because I don't like what I get. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? Now, I'm just going to leave my answer like this. So my smaller answer is going to be 12 minus root 84, right? That's going to be smaller because I'm subtracting, over 6. And then my larger answer is going to be 12 plus root 84 over 6. And I'm just going to leave it just like this. So this is what I'm going to enter into Edulastic as my smaller answer and my larger answer.